So today I'm going to show you how to buy a stock on the Public Investing app. So we're going to have the app loaded up here, as you can see, in real time, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do so. If you have not yet downloaded the app, I will have a link in the show notes for you so you can go ahead and get a free slice of a stock and get started with investing on Public Investing app. Now here on the app, we're on the main page of the actual service. So what we're going to actually do is click the little magnifying glass on the bottom section of the screen here. So once we do, it's going to give us the option to explore stocks. Now, of course, do your own research on which stocks you want to invest in. But as an example today, if we click on the Explore, we can go ahead and type in different stocks if we want to. We're going to go ahead and do Airbnb for this example. So when you see the stock that you want to purchase, go ahead and click on the stock itself. Now we have a couple options when we do so. So first and foremost, we're going to click on the trade option on the bottom right over here. And you're going to see where it says invest. So that kind of makes it a little easier for us. Now, when you bring this up, it's going to just ask you for a dollar amount. Now, if you're somebody who's just investing whatever they can in smaller increments, this is perfect for you. Just type in the dollar amount that you want, whether it's $10, whatever else amount. But if you're somebody who wants to be a little bit more precise on the stock price that they're buying, go ahead and click that little bottom left arrow here. And what this will do is give you another option that gives you 3 little dots. Once you click on there, it's going to give you an option to be able to buy in slices, which is what they were doing originally. You could buy at the market order. You could do limited order, or you could even do a stop order as well. So whichever one of these methods works best for you, you can read a little synopsis, and then that way you can make sure you buy in at the right time, depending on how you want to do it. But for today's example, we're just going to do slices as is originally was going to be. And we're going to do $10, and we're going to go ahead and click on invest $10 on the bottom right. And right over here, it's going through verifying everything looks correct for us, and we're going to go ahead and click on confirm. And it's going to go cycle through here for us. And now it says you have invested $10 into Airbnb. Now, the cool thing with Public is you can go ahead and announce that to other people to let them know that, hey, I just purchased this. You can leave a little note on why, or you could just leave it blank if you want to as well. Now, I want you to also learn how to sell your stock on Public. So check out my video right over here to learn exactly how to do that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.